Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. So, in the last class, we have seen how to design the screen for the app which we were creating, and we were actually creating how to calculate the area of a triangle. So, this is the part 2 of that. So, without wasting much time, let's just quickly start. So basically, uh, in the last class, we have discussed that to calculate the area of a triangle, the formula is half multiplied by base multiplied by height of a triangle. So for that, we have taken, just to quickly revise it, we have taken the label, then the text input where we can enter the base, another label, then the text input where we can enter the height, then simply a button, and this is a blank, not blank, but this is another label where we will display the area of that particular triangle. So, in order to begin with, whenever we will run the code, so whenever you start to code, before that, you have to think logically that, okay, I will enter this field here, then I will click on the button. So, the first activity comes is click on the button. And as we have seen in the previous classes, that to click on a button, we need to take the on event command. From this UI control section, we need to use the on event command. So drag and drop, and button activities is always given in the on event command, and we have to click on this and select the button. So on event button click, that means when, as I have told you in the last class, on event means when. So when the button is clicked, a function will happen, computer will perform a function. Now, what is the formula and where we have to display the area of a triangle? So as we know, area of a triangle we want to display inside this, and so that we have to figure out what is the id for that. So in last class I told you that how to figure out the id. For that, just move your cursor on this label, you will find this is label 3. So you need to find the command set text as it is present over here, take it, put it on line number 2, set text of what was the id over here, label 3. So just select inside the label 3 we want to display. Now, what we want to display? We want to display the area of the triangle, and the formula is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. That is the reason we have to go to the math and take the multiplication symbol. So here the third symbol is the multiplication symbol. If you are confused, just move the cursor, and as you put the cursor over there, hover the cursor on that particular command, it will show you it is the multiply operator. So take 1, put it on the text as it is. Okay, now we require two multiplication symbols, because we have to multiply half multiply base multiply height. So we require another multiplication, and just put it like this. Okay, so first of all, half, half means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we also write as 0.5. If you are confused, you can just go to the Google and open the calculator. You can open the calculator over here, and you can just do 1 divide by 2. You can see what is the answer, 0.5. So in order to simplify it, we have written 0.5. Now, where we are going to enter the base of a triangle? Inside this id, it is text input. So whatever the user enters inside the text input, we need to get it from there, and to get it we have a command called get text. So just take it over here. You can also take get number command. Okay, that will also work. If you don't want to take get text, you can also take get number, because obviously we are going to enter some numbers. Two get numbers command will be here, one for the base and one for the height, and its id is text input 1, its id is text input 2. So get number from text input 1 and get number from text input 2. That means 0.5 multiplied by base multiplied by height, and whatever calculation it gives you, set text, that means put that text into the label 3, which is this label, and we are done with the code. I hope everyone understood. So now let's just run it. Run. And suppose I enter the base of the triangle as 10, and height of the triangle as maybe 14. So when I click on calculate area, it is showing me the answer. The area is 50. See, so easy to calculate. But if you want to be more specific, you can go to the designing and click here, and inside the text you can write. Otherwise, do one thing, go to the code and here you have set the text of the label 3. Okay, but if you want like this also, before setting the area of this, if you want to print area of the triangle is and this, then you can take one more label over here like this and write down the text inside it. Area of the triangle is, and you can just put down some, you can increase the width, height as per your choice. You can set it like this. Okay, and it will display. Okay, I will run it again. Run. I will enter the same values 10 and 14 and click on the calculate. It will display area of the triangle is 50. Yes, this way we have calculated the area of the triangle. I hope everyone understood. If there is any question, do ask me. Just remember, the formula to calculate the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. So this thing we have learned here. So now onwards, whenever you want to calculate the area of the triangle, just come to this app and just calculate it. Okay. Okay, guys. So I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care.